Hey there, food explorers. Ever sliced into a perfectly ripe avocado and thought, wow, this is more than just guacamole fodder? Well, buckle up because today we're diving deep into the creamy, dreamy world of avocados. We're talking 5 surprising facts that'll change how you view this single-seeded wonder. Get ready to have your perceptions pitted, pun intended. From ancient civilizations to modern-day kitchens, the avocado has a story to tell, and we're here to listen. Let's peel back the layers of this fascinating fruit and uncover the surprising truths hiding beneath that bumpy green skin. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, here's a curveball. The avocado is a berry. I know, right? Mind blown. But before you start picturing it nestled amongst raspberries and blueberries on your morning cereal, let's define berry botanically speaking. A berry is a fleshy fruit that develops from a single ovary and contains one or more seeds. Think grapes, tomatoes, even bananas. The avocado fits this definition perfectly. It develops from a single ovary in the avocado flower and houses that large central seed. So, next time someone tries to tell you an avocado isn't a fruit, you can drop this botanical bombshell and watch their jaw drop. It's a single-seeded berry, folks, and there's no arguing with science. So, embrace the avocado's berryness. Celebrate its unique identity. Move over, bananas. There's a new potassium king in town and it's wearing a bumpy green suit. While bananas are indeed a good source of potassium, avocados actually pack a bigger punch. A medium avocado contains around 975 milligrams of potassium, while a medium banana has about 422 milligrams. That's more than double the potassium. Now, why is potassium so important? Well, this essential mineral plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, regulating muscle contractions, and supporting nerve function. It's a crucial electrolyte that helps keep our bodies running smoothly. So, incorporating potassium-rich foods like avocados into your diet can have significant health benefits. From promoting heart health to preventing muscle cramps, potassium is a true nutritional superhero. And while bananas are a convenient and tasty source of potassium, don't underestimate the power of the avocado. So, reach for an avocado when you're looking for a potassium boost. Next, ancient avocado, a luxurious legacy. Believe it or not, avocados weren't always the popular grocery store staple they are today. In ancient civilizations, they were considered a symbol of wealth and prosperity, a delicacy reserved for the elite. The Aztecs, for example, prized avocados not only for their nutritional value, but also for their supposed aphrodisiac properties. Evidence suggests that avocados were cultivated in Central and South America as far back as 5000 BC. They were a vital part of the diet and culture of many indigenous communities, who used them in everything from religious ceremonies to medicinal remedies. This historical reverence for the avocado speaks volumes about its value and versatility. So the next time you enjoy an avocado, remember its rich history and the generations of people who have cherished this remarkable fruit. Avocadozilla, a record-breaking giant. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this story is a whopper. In 2019, a family in Hawaii harvested the world's heaviest avocado, weighing in at a staggering 5.6 pounds. That's heavier than a newborn baby. This gargantuan avocado, grown by the Pokini family on their farm in Maui, earned a place in the Guinness World Records, cementing its status as a true avocado legend. The story of this record-breaking avocado captured the hearts and imaginations of people worldwide, reminding us of the wonders and surprises that nature holds. Imagine the guacamole you could make with that, or the avocado toast. The possibilities are endless. Onion Alliance, the Freshness Secret. Have you ever wondered how to keep your avocados fresh for longer? Well, I've got a trick up my sleeve, and it involves a surprising ally, the onion. Storing avocados with cut onions can actually help slow down the browning process, keeping them green and delicious for longer. Place a cut onion in an airtight container with your halved or sliced avocados, and voila! You've got a natural freshness preservation system. This simple hack can save you money and reduce food waste, ensuring you always have perfectly ripe avocados on hand. So there you have it, folks. 5 surprising facts about avocados that hopefully have you looking at this versatile fruit in a whole new light. The avocado is full of surprises, from its berry identity to its potassium prowess. We've uncovered its ancient history, marveled at its record-breaking size, and learned a clever trick to keep it fresh. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more food adventures, and let me know in the comments what other food mysteries you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy eating.